Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make this very beautiful stitch called the wave stitch. Now I know this looks a bit complicated, but it's actually a lot easier than it looks. It consists of slip stitches and half double crochet worked in the back loops. So if you already know how to make these stitches, I think you will find this pattern very easy. This stitch gives a beautiful and elastic material that is very suitable for wearables, but also for beautiful pillows and blankets and much more. So let's get started. The first thing I have to do is to make a slip knot. I'm gonna form a loop and grab my yarn through the loop and tighten my yarn. I'm going to take my crochet hook, put it through the loop and tighten the knot. For this stitch, I'm going to need a number of chains that is a multiple of 10 plus 6. So for this little sample, I'm going to make a total of 36 chains. Yarn over, pull through the loop on the hook, yarn over, pull through. We will start row 1 by skipping the first chain from the hook and make a slip stitch into the next 5 chains. So we're going to insert the hook, yarn over and pull through 2 loops on the hook. And we will do that 5 times. I am now going to make a half double crochet into the next 5 chains. So I'm going to yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops on the hook. And I will do that 5 times. Now again, I will make a slip stitch into the next 5 chains. So I'm going to insert the hook, yarn over and pull through the 2 loops on the hook. I will just continue this way for the rest of the row, making 5 half double crochet and 5 slip stitches, alternating one after the other. Here at the end of the row, I should have 5 chains left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here I'm going to have a slip stitch into every last chain. And this is what my first row looks like. To start row 2, I'm going to chain 1 and turn my work. Here at the beginning of row 2, I am going to insert the hook into the first stitch, but I'm only going to work into the back loops. So I'm going to insert my hook into the back loop, yarn over and pull through the 2 loops on the hook. And I'm going to have 5 slip stitches. I am now going to have a half double crochet into the next 5 stitches. And here I'm also only going to work into the back loops. And I will continue in this way for the rest of the row, alternating between 5 half double crochet and 5 slip stitches. And as you can see, my slip stitches are above my slip stitches from the previous row, and my half double crochet stitches are above my half double crochet stitches from the previous row. At the end of the row, I'm going to chain 1 and turn my work. Row 3 is going to be made in a bit different way than the 2 previous rows. We are going to turn things around a bit. So we are going to start with making our half double crochets in the first 5 stitches, and in the next 5 stitches we are going to make our slip stitches. So here over my half double crochet stitches from the previous row, I'm going to have 5 slip stitches. And I will continue this pattern all the way across the row. And here is what my first 3 rows looks like. I am now going to chain 1 and turn my work to start row 4. For row 4, I will again make the same types of stitches over the same types of stitches. So I will start with making 5 half double crochet over my half double crochet stitches from the previous row. And then I will make a slip stitch into the next 5 stitches. And I will just continue this pattern for the rest of the row. And from this point you can just repeat the 4 first rows until you are satisfied with the size of your swatch. And that is how you make the wave stitch. Thank you so much for watching my little video here. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you get notified when I have a new video. I hope to see you next time. Have a nice day. Bye bye.